The 2007 F-250 Super Duty. Head-to-head fuel efficiency, head-to-head towing, head-to-head torque. Ford F-250 Super Duty. This vehicle has less than 110,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: premium wheels, anti-lock braking system, four-wheel drive, dual front airbags, alloy wheels, air conditioning, front, keyless entry, AM/FM stereo radio, climate control, premium sound, trip computer, trip odometer, power windows, fog lamps, power driver mirror, tilt steering wheel, park sense park assist, towing package, sliding rear window, dual power seats. If affordable style and reliability are what you're looking for, this vehicle couldn't be more perfect. Drive it today.